Every part of nature, from the smallest coral to the tallest mangrove, is a promise to the future, a living testament to the importance of its care and preservation.
Our world is at peril. Nature is really impacted by the human species.
Am I only going to report all the time about how bad things go and that it's going worse and worse and worse, or can I really maybe also make a change?
Misa kung malo ita, kung en qué estado ita.
Really was kind of shocked. A lot was gone.
Mayang, ta nos meso yuna, nos meso chiquito nang me servim pa wak essa aqui nang conservar e preservar o que nos tinha agora aqui para o futuro.
Zo hadden we bedacht, oi, boom,
Racing my heart a little, actually.
But I think there's always glimmers of hope, and I think this project is definitely one of them.
Every individual has the power to contribute to the restoration of our natural world. Change starts today, and together, we're turning the tide.